Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to make electromagnet illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start doing. This is very easy. Here this is a stroke and increase the stroke size, so you can see what I'm doing here. Straight, holding shift and click here. Okay, so it's here, and now with the direct selection tool like this. Okay, copy pasted font, okay, increase the size. Okay, like this, leave it as it is. Now path, outline strokes. Now everything is now it's here. Object. Okay, and now I have to make a mistake over here, like this, and this one and this one. Now cut, hitting alt, cut this thing, cut. Okay, now the help of Pathfinder united everything. Okay, here everything is okay. Now we have get this kind of thing, horseshoe type of thing. Okay, so let's increase the stroke size. Okay, this is the concept. You can make with your own like or own creativity. Okay, I'm just giving you the idea how you can make this kind of thing. Okay, now let's try to do another magnetic electromagnet field or electromagnet type of thing. So before you can do like this. Okay, and increase the size. It's growing very heavy, and now select this thing. Okay, copy pasted font. So here another idea you can make like this. Outline is outline is stroke. So here everything is right. Now cut this unwanted part, so this is an idea you can make like this. Okay, and take this kind of thing away, eject this, minus, so get like this kind of thing. So before going, it's so take this line here, this line here, so this is electromagnetic, you can make like this. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial, this short video tutorial. Thank you and stay healthy.